You know that exciting, fresh start feeling when the new year is just around the corner? That feeling where you believe that this year I am going to get my life together. But then halfway through January, we are back to our old habits. Not this time. I have been thinking, what if we stop chasing huge and start with small, realistic habits that actually stick instead of doing it alone? Let's do it together. Hello, lovelies. I'm Janvi, and today we are building those simple, life changing habits that will help us become better, calmer, and more organized versions of ourselves in 2025. And let's be real, I'm far from perfect. I still struggle with staying consistent, keeping my space organized, managing distractions. But this year, we are changing that. So grab your chai, tea, or whatever that makes you happy, and let's dive in. So first habit is organize your space. Okay, let's be real. When my house is messy, my brain feels messy too. And all the craziness in life, work, shoots, family, I fall behind. But I'm promising to get better and I hope you will join me too. So here we are following the 5-minute declutter challenge. Every day spend 5 minutes tidying up one space. Your desk, your bed, or even your handbag. I'll be doing this too because trust me, I can be very messy sometimes. Now let's make it fun. Play the song you love, set a timer, and go. It's small but feels so satisfying. Like, imagine doing this every day, how peaceful our life will be. So, are you ready? Let's do it. Next up is something I have been wanting to be more consistent with: journaling. Some days I'm all in, writing my thoughts, my work, my progress, everything. And then the other day, I just forget it even exists. But in 2025, I'm committing to just 5 minutes a day. And I hope you will too. How we will start? In the morning, write your top 3 priorities, and in the night, write 3 things you're grateful for. That's it. It's simple, but it just calm my racing mind. Journaling isn't about writing a perfect diary. It's just talking to yourself on a paper. Let's do it together, even if for once a week, that will be fine. Third one is limiting social media. Now this one is hard. Social media is so addictive, especially since it's a part of my work too. But scrolling endlessly isn't doing any favors, right? So in 2025, I am going to set clear screen time limits, and you can do too. Let's hold each other accountable. What I'm doing, setting app time limits. 1 hour max for Instagram, no phone first thing in the morning or before bed. Now this is tough, but let's just थिंक कि कितना टाइम हम बचा सकते हैं अगर हम ये सारी चीज़ों को फॉलो करें, अगर हम ऐप्स को लिमिट करें, क्योंकि एंडलेसली स्क्रॉल करने से वैसे भी कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है। एंड हमारे पास बहुत सारा टाइम बचेगा फॉर द हॉबीज दैट जो हमें करनी है या फिर जो कॉन्वर्सेशंस हमें करनी है। तो आई थिंक दिस विल बी द बेस्ट थिंग। सो मैं तो कर रही हूँ एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग भी करो। फोर्थ इज अवॉइडिंग डिस्ट्रैक्शंस। अनदर थिंग आई एम वर्किंग ऑन इज staying focused. Between work, house chores, and content creation, it's so easy to get distracted. But this year, I am gonna try the focus block method, and you should too. How it works: work for 90 minutes without distractions, and then take a 10 to 15 minutes break afterwards. Now, this sounds tough, but if we master this, imagine how much we will achieve by the end of this year. No distractions, no scrolling, it will be magic. And finally, fifth, learning new skills. This is something I really want to focus on in 2025. I want to learn more about editing, cooking, and learning new languages because why not? So let's do this. Pick one hobby or one thing that you want to learn and spend 15 minutes every day on it. Like, I literally started learning Spanish and Korean, but it literally sucked because हम कुछ डेज पे स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कुछ चीज़ एंड बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है, मे बी 2 to 3 days तक वो एक्साइटमेंट रहती है एंड देन वी जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट इट और इट्स लाइक कि आज रहने देते हैं कल कर लेंगे टाइप थिंग्स, राइट? But I really want to do it. Like 15 minutes are nothing. Like we have 24 hours. 15 minutes are nothing in that. So कुछ तो अलग हम कर सकते हैं. तो इस टाइम मैं कुछ इजी लेने वाली हूँ जो जिसमें मुझे ऑलरेडी इंटरेस्ट है थोड़ा सा और फिर वो चीज़ मैं रोज 15 मिनट्स के लिए करने वाली हूँ एंड लेट्स सी अगर मैं वो कर पाई तो फिर कितनी सारी चीज़ें मैं 2025 में सीख सकूंगी सो आई थिंक यू शुड डू दैट टू लाइक 15 मिनट्स गिव एनी हैबिट जो आपको अच्छी लगती है एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू लर्न गिव 15 minutes to it. That's it, because the point is we are growing together and small steps leads to big changes, right? So these are the 5 habits that I'm committing to in 2025. I know it won't be perfect, but we don't need perfection. We just need to show up even when it's hard, even when we feel so lazy. We just need to show up. Let's promise to try these habits together. Start with just one and let me know which one you are committing to first. I am gonna share my progress too. I will be sharing my progress too. And to see that, please follow me on Instagram because I am giving, I always give my life update there too. Plus, comment down whatever that you like, whatever that you want because I am reading those comments. If this inspired you even a little bit, please like this video and hit that subscribe button and let's make our 2025 the best year yet. Remember, we have got this together. Sending so much love. See you next time. Bye bye.